The reason some of our outfits don't come out the way we want it to is because we have not taken the right measurement. I'm going to be showing you how to take measurements, putting what you want to make into perspective. Let's jump in. This is a blouse, and the first thing we're going to be measuring is the back. Now, after measuring the back, the next thing we're going to measure is the bust area. You measure the bust area and then you measure the under bust. Now, these two measurements are very important because it's going to help you create the darts and the curves. After doing that is the waist. But before the waist, we're going to measure the length of the blouse. If the blouse is going to take a tube-like form, what I'm doing right there is to mark where we're going to cut off the top. So we're going to be cutting it up from there, or just put your tape downward and measure from that point to under the bust. You write down that measurement and then you continue measuring to give us the end of where the blouse is supposed to be. But if you want the blouse to come from the shoulder, measure from the shoulder down to the under bust, then to that position. Next thing we're going to do now is to ascertain the waistline. So now we've pointed out the point where it's supposed to be. You then measure across where you wanted the blouse to end. Write down that measurement and begin your sewing project. This is the blouse I was able to make with that measurement, and the full tutorial of this blouse is in the description. I hope this was useful. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.